Another day, another story. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of numbers and illusion. Welcome to Mind-Bending Math Magic, where we're about to unravel the secrets of the mesmerizing 369 trick. But this isn't your ordinary magic show. Instead of rabbits and hats, we'll be conjuring numbers and equations that'll leave you wondering, how did they do that? So, grab your curiosity and prepare to be both baffled and enlightened. Let's kick off the show with an incredible math trick that'll have your mind dancing between reality and illusion. Get ready for a journey into the realm of mind-bending math magic. Allow me to introduce you to the mystical 369 trick. Before we jump into the magic, remember this. It's all about the power of 3, 6, and 9. These numbers have an almost mystical significance in the world of mathematics. Here's how it works. I want you to pick any 3-digit number where the digits are different. For instance, let's choose the number 487. Now, follow along closely. Step 1. Add up the digits of your chosen number. 4 plus 8 plus 7 equals 19. Step 2. Subtract the sum from your original number. 487 19 gives us 468. Now, for the grand finale. Step 3. Add the digits of your new number together. 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals, you guessed it, 18. And here comes the truly magical part. No matter what 3-digit number you start with, after performing these steps, you'll always end up with 18. It's like the universe itself is conspiring with math to create this enchanting illusion. Now, my friends, you possess the secret to the 369 trick. Practice this, perform it at gatherings, and witness the looks of awe on your friends' faces. Give it a shot, and let the magic unfold. And if you want more mind-bending math mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the wondrous world of numbers and illusion.